Good day to all of you. This is still Oli Majamiri Inyong, your friend, your nurse, your teacher, and welcome back to my channel, Oli Marization. And now we will be going to test the Anker PowerPort, the solar charger. This is around 10 inches long and wide around 6 inches. So it is portable, it is foldable, you can bring it anywhere, particularly if you are going to perform the rites of Umrah, going to Makkah, going to Medina. So it is really nice, or it is really useful, and at the same time it is useful in our place in the Philippines because we always experiencing brownouts. So that's why I needed this one, since I need to charge all my catches for my blog. After 3 months, I will be going home and I will be going to miss the Saudi Arabia, whatever it is. Yun, we will be going to test this one. As before I unbox this one, now we will be going to fully test this one if it is working using my melkco Powerbank 11,000 milliampere, but is not working nicely, or it is not okay anymore. But I choose this among all my power bank because it has a LED number appears here, so it is so that we can monitor if this power bank is working or not. So yes. So I think it has 3,800 milliampere, because guys, I bought this one 5 years ago and it easily drained, but maybe it has 3,800 milliampere because I charge my phone which has 4,000 milliampere. So around 90%, it's only 90% of my phone. So after 90% it is already ready drain, something like that. So I think it is 3,800 milliampere. So whatever it is, guys, without further ado, we will be going to test this one. Yes. And of course I would like to make shout out to all the politician. So why do I speak English? Because I found out on my I found out there's so many who watch my videos are foreigner. It doesn't mean that I want to speak English. I'm not mayabang. It just happened that yun na. Yes. Mga politician namin doon sa Basilan, please try to do something about our electricity, because electricity is needed for our daily lives. If you will not going to do with it, ano ba yan, guys? I mean, yung business namin, particularly in Malamawi. If we have experienced one day, wag ka nang umasa po na magkakaroon ng electricity bukas, because we usually have brownout 3 days, 4 days, until 5 days. So yun, normal na po sa mga kabataan doon, normal na po sa amin na pag nag-brown out, hindi basta-basta magkakaroon ng electricity agad-agad. So there you have it, guys. Without further ado, just like what I've said, we will test now. And hello guys, this is the Anker, the PowerPort. So this I think it's just small, or how many inches? This one, 3, 6, 9, or 10 inches long, and the wide is 3, maybe 6 inches, something like that. So it is portable, you can bring it everywhere. Yes, and now we will be going to open this one. Yep. So this thing, this is what you can see, the charge the eco-friendly way. So it reminds you that this one is eco-friendly. So set the direct sunlight to ensure best performance. So if it is sunny day, he's happy. If it is sunny and cloudy day, he's not that happy. And if it is raining, he's sad. So which mean, guys, he is moody. Ibig sabihin, siya ay tripolar. Joke. Okay, so as you can see, this is 21 watts accordingly, and this is the PowerPort. It has a 2 power port USB, and then this is the USB channel. So if you will be going to unfold this one, ganyan siya kahaba. That is how long it is. So yes guys, we will be going to test this one using the melkco Powerbank. And just like what I've said a while ago, it is not working nicely because it got easily drained. But since it has a power LED, a number power LED here appears here, so this one among the Powerbank that I have, this is I think the best thing that we can to use using this PowerPort, if it is working or not. So without further ado, we will be going to test it. Hello guys, now we are outside, and as you can see, it is sunny and cloudy, so which means this power bank, just like what it said inside, it has something like, it's not happy but it's normal. So yeah, we will be going to test it now here. So we're going to test it. Hello guys, now we're going to open this one to take the USB plug. So we will be going to plug this one here. So is it working? Is it working or not? I will try. Yeah, it should be working guys. Oh yeah, there is. I don't know if you can see the light. Yeah, there is. So it is working guys, and yep. So now I will be going to leave this one here, and let's see how many hours it will take to fully charge this power bank. Yes, we will leave it here. Hey guys, now it's already 2:25 p.m. and just using my yes guys, 2:25 now. I charged this one around 11:30 a.m. So how many hours now? 11, 12, 1, 2, so almost 3 hours, and yet the power bank is still on its 35, as you can see, 35 charge from 0. So you guys, yeah, we're going to end the test right now because I'm going to work. So yes, the 11,000 milliampere of melkco power bank was charged. Yeah, I tested this charging, but yet again, it's what they call this one, it's solar. You expect that it will not going to charge faster, but it's working. That's the main point there, because in the first place I bought this one for my emergency purpose. If I go home, it's like what I've said a while ago, in our place in Basilan, or in Basilan, Malamawi, yes, we always experience a lot, crowd out most 1 week, 2 days, 3 days, and that's why I bought this one. So it cost me around 197 Saudi riyals or 198 Saudi riyals. So bahala na kayo guys, if you you need to convert it into dollars if you are from foreign country, something like that. So I ordered it online. So there you have it guys, bye. And yes, as you can see also guys, the sun is, it's not sunny days, and it's like cloudy sunny. So that's why I think one of the main reason why my Anker PowerPort solar PowerPort is not working that much or not faster, because of the fact that it is not that too sunny, so it cannot get too much electricity from the sun. So yes guys, yes, what else you want to know about it? That will be all guys. Yeah, as long as it's working. Yeah, it's working. To all of you guys, this is Olima Germany Inyong, your friend, your nurse, your teacher, saying please watch, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Olima Reception, and please follow me on Facebook and follow and share my Facebook page Nurse Teacher. This has been Olima Germany Inyong, your friend, your nurse, your teacher, saying bye bye guys. Goodbye.